Welcome to this beginning tutorial of SWOOP for M365. This video is going to guide you through some of the core features and functionalities of SWOOP for M365 and also show you some tips and tricks along the way. The first thing I want to show you is your main navigation in this tool, and that would be your dashboards. So you'll be able to access your dashboards on the left-hand side over here. We'll start in the personal dashboard. This is where you'll access information related to you as an individual and what your performance looks like in the data. The segments dashboard will allow you to search for a specific segment in your organization, whether that be a department, a division, a location, etc. And then we also have the enterprise dashboard, which is going to look across your entire organization and what the data looks like there. From here, I'll draw your attention to the date ranges in SWOOP for M365. When you're in the habits category, you'll notice that the date range is locked to the last 30 days. And that's because we use the last 30 days to calculate your collaboration habits, which you'll see just here. But we'll be deep diving into the collaboration habits in a future tutorial. When you navigate into the activity category, this is when the date range selector will open up. When I click here, you'll be able to customize your date ranges to your heart's content. So if I click on custom date range here, I can now go in and select specific dates to analyze. I'll jump back into the habits category. And I wanted to also show you the question mark icons or the information icons that you can access in the top right-hand corner of all of your reports in SWOOP. So when I click on the question mark, I'll be able to access more information about the report and what's being measured. You'll also see these three dots in the top right-hand corner. And when I click here, you'll be able to access more features like being able to download a report to Excel, being able to download to PowerPoint, and also to access the compare functionality in SWOOP. If you would like to download all of the reports in a single dashboard view, you also have access to the master export button here in the top right-hand corner. When I click on this, you'll have options to download all of the reports in your dashboard to a spreadsheet and also to download all of the reports to a presentation. The next feature I'll show you is how to search for segments. I'll jump into the segments dashboard and you'll see your search box here at the top. At the moment, you can see that I have the IT department set as my default, but perhaps I want to search for another department to see what their results look like. So I'll click into the search box here, and for example, I'll search for finance. Now I can unselect the IT department and select finance, and I can select to say OK or OK and save as default. This means that every time I log back into SWOOP for M365, this will be my default department when I go to the segments dashboard. For this example, I'll just select OK. If I wanted to set this department as a favorite and have it pinned to the left here, like I have the IT and the legal department, I can click on the star icon here, and then I can type in the name of my favorite. I'll say I want this to be called the finance department. And I can also select if I would like this to be a global favorite. Only SWOOP admins can have this option, and it means that for all of your SWOOP for M365 users, everyone will see that the finance department has been pinned to the left-hand side. For this example, I'll just leave it as is, but I want to add the favorite. And you'll now see that the star icon has turned red, and I have the finance department now pinned in my segments dashboard on the left. The last feature that I'll show you will be being able to access some of the help resources within SWOOP. I'll click on the help icon here in the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll see some additional options you now have access to, including being able to access all of our help articles and support materials, and also being able to request a support ticket. If you do notice any technical issues within your dashboards, if you click request support, it allows you to immediately log a ticket so that we can have the issue fixed for you as soon as possible. And that concludes this beginner's tutorial of SWOOP for M365. We hope to see you in the next one.